अक्षरमणमाले अरुणाचलवरकेच अक्षरमणमाले करुणाकर गणपति करुणाकर गणपति करं मरुळि भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे 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 श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे
विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे
विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे
विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं
भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं
भजे श्रीरमणं
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पाण्डुरङ्गा
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण
विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
रमण 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 रमण
रमण रमण रमण रमण
रमणा भजे पांडुरंगम भजे श्री रमणम. On this beautiful occasion of heralding in our new year with new hope and looking forward to a deeply fulfilling, spiritually uplifting year ahead, we present to you Vithala Ramana. Shri Ramana is the Lord of Shri or Mahalakshmi, and Shri Ramana is Vithala and Shri Ramana is Ramana. And therefore, in his great universe of oneness, it is for us to explore today the beautiful abhangas, some of them on Vithala, and see the beautiful songs on Shri Ramana, Sadguru Ramana. The abhangas, of course, by the great Marathi saints, outpourings of love, divinity itself, and Sadguru Ramana is the Padal Petra Peruman. Muruganar Swami alone has made 30,000 compositions on him. And as part of the Ramananjali repertoire, there are so many songs which my mother, Srimati Sulochana Natarajan, had the occasion to pioneer and take forward. What a blessing it is to be able to sing on the Master, to be able to sing on Vithala, to be able to sing on Ramana. The two are not apart. Shri Ramana, they are both the consort of Shri. The consort of Shri brings me to the thought of what and who is Shri. In Adhyatma Ramayana, Sita Devi clearly says that she, of course, she is Mahalakshmi. She says, I am Prakriti, he is the Purusha. So, she is the Shakti, he is the Shiva. And in his presence it is that she creates this entire beautiful universe for us to revel in and enjoy and play our different roles and just delve deep into the real truth of our existence. So she says, I am Prakriti. So Shri being Prakriti and Ramana being the consort of Prakriti, the Purusha, that Atma Swarupa, the Atma Rama is whom we are going to extol today. The Atman, the self, is Rama. The Atman, the self, is Vithala. The Atman, the self, is Ramana. Vishwanatha Swami in his Ramana Ashtotram says, Atma Ramaya Namaha. So that Atma Rama we will extol today. I have conceived of this presentation in a division of 4 parts, or rather an exploration of 4 concepts. So the first one we will explore. First an abhanga on Vithala, and then a song on Sadguru Ramana. The first one talks of him as being everything. So that was the first thing which I wanted to establish. Fact is, he is everything. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva, tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva, tvameva sarvam mamadeva deva. We chant this sloka, but how much do we become it? But of course, chanting it regularly will take us there. Be that as it may, why do we say it? Because we have to form a relationship with the Master. He is not somebody out there and we are not somebody out here. No. He is our very self, as I said, Atma Rama. And who is responsible for taking care of us but Him? And for that, the surrender is required. And for that, in Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavatam, Prahlada tells his father Hiranyakashipu, make a relationship with Mahavishnu. Have the Navavidha bhakti towards him. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Surrender to him in different ways. Make him your friend. Make him your master. Hear his name, extol his praise. Supposing I have a problem, who is going to come to my aid? Is it going to be somebody from Pune or Delhi whom I don't know at all? Who is going to come to my aid? My immediate family members. So if we don't make him a family member, if we don't make him so close to us, if we don't form a relationship with him, why should he come? He'll say he's not my family, but he doesn't do that. But it's our responsibility to make him our family member. He is Mata, he is Pita, he is Guru, he is Bandhu. This is what Sri Namdev in his Abhanga, he says, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, everything is Vithala. And that is the Abhanga that we will present now. Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Deva Vithala, Deva Puja Vithala, Deva Vithala, Deva Puja Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Tirtha Vithala. Mata Vithala, Pita Vithala, Mata Vithala, Pita Vithala, Mata Vithala, Pita Vithala, Mata Vithala, Pita Vithala, Bandhu Vithala, Gotra Vithala, Bandhu Vithala, Gotra Vithala, Bandhu Vithala, Gotra Vithala, Bandhu Vithala, Gotra Vithala, Guru Vithala, Guru Devata 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 Vithala.
मामळे माझा विठ्ठल सापडला
म्हणून कळी काळा
म्हणून खडी काळा
म्हणून कळी काळा पाडे नाही
म्हणून खडी काळा पाडे नाही
म्हणून कळी काळा पाडे नाही
म्हणून खडी काळा पाडे नाही
पाडे नाही पाडे नाही तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल
क्षेत्र विठ्ठल
तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल. Moving on to the Ramananjali repertoire equivalent of this beautiful song which describes Vitthala as everything is this song by Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati. Everything. What does everything mean? Where does everything come from? It comes from our Idaya Kuhai, our heart space. And who resides in that heart space? The master as the self. So Bhagavan says in his Saddarshanam, Dhiya sahodeti dhiyastameti lokastato dhipravibhasya eshaha dhiloka janma kshayadhama purnam. So this entire loka, this entire universe is born as soon as the mind wakes up. It releases itself as a reflection of the self and projects this beautiful universe, and when it rests back in the self, this entire universe disappears. We experience this on a daily basis in our deep sleep. So this rising of the universe from the self is allowed by the master, and he allows us to play our various roles in different ways in the manner fit. So he is in the heart space. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahmamatram aham aham iti sakshat atma rupena bhati, Bhagavan says. So idaya kuhaye iruppu idamaha udaya kadirpol ulagelam olirum arive anbe arule ramana, Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati. In everything there is he. Just as everything is Vitthala, everything is Ramana, the two are not apart. And here Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati goes one step further. He says not only is he everything, he is the heart space, and therefore in our own doings, whether it is kaya, vacha, manasa, it is he who governs everything. பேச்சிலும் ரமணன், மூச்சிலும் ரமணன், இருப்பது ரமணன், நெஞ்சினில் ரமணன். Everything is only by his force. and he is the embodiment of grace, Arul, and he is the embodiment of love, Anb. So this beautiful composition of Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati we will enjoy now. இதயக் குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதயக் கதி போலுலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. இதயக் குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதயக் கதி போலுலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. ரமணா 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 ரமணா. இதயக் குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதயக் கதிர் போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. ரமணா 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 ரமணா. பேச்சிலும் ரமணன் மூச்சிலும் ரமணன் நினைப்பதும் ரமணன் நெஞ்சினில் ரமணன். பேச்சிலும் ரமணன் மூச்சிலும் ரமணன் நினைப்பதும் ரமணன் நெஞ்சினில் ரமணன். மனதிலே ரமணன் அனைத்திலும் ரமணன், மனதிலே ரமணன் அனைத்திலும் ரமணன். மனதிலே ரமணன் அனைத்திலும் ரமணன், மனதிலே ரமணன் அனைத்திலும் ரமணன். அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. ரமணா 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 ரமணா. மந்திரம் மணிமருந்தெந்திரம் அவனே, சிந்தையும் அவனே செய்கையும் அவனே. மந்திரம் மணிமருந்தெந்திரம் அவனே, சிந்தையும் அவனே செய்கையும் அவனே. அவனவளது நீ நான் என உலவும் அவனியும் அவனே ஆருயிர் சிவனே. அவனவளது நீ நான் என உலவும் அவனி